It's me. It's your girl Sharae. It's your girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Alright, so today I'm gonna show y'all how to get rid of y'all pimples. For y'all know, you either need some of this or you need some Carmex. It works, I'm telling you, it works. I like to put it on before I go to sleep. That's what I like to do. But it don't matter when you put it on, as long as you're not touching it and stuff. Alright, so I think that the Carmex works better than the Aquaphor, but you can still use both and get the same outcome. So I'm gonna use the Carmex, and it's like nothing in here. I don't even use this on my lips, I just use it for my pimples. Got that little bit. Just put it on there. Now these pimples on my nose, like I've tried to pop them and put Carmex on them, but they just don't go away. I don't understand. I guess they here to stay. And this one is close to my eye. I don't like to put the Carmex close to my eye because I can feel it and it like irritates my eyes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's part 2. They still there, but they get smaller if you keep putting it on, the Carmex or the Aquaphor. It just keep getting smaller and smaller until it's gone. My little bit I have. So this is it, and then I'm about to go to sleep. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, I'm back again. So this like day 3 or something like that. And oh, my bonnet covering my pimples. This cute though. They're like, I think they're way smaller than before. So we're gonna put some more, but you can clearly see that it make your pimples get smaller when you keep putting it on. Like, I try to tell my friends that this worked, But they don't believe me. They don't even try. Like, girl, how you not gonna try? Can I at least try? Get your pimples to go away. You complain about your pimples, but you don't want to do nothing to make them go away. Don't make sense. You know, like after you brush your teeth and your lips are so dry, that's what my face feel like, and my lips, cause I just brushed my teeth. Put that thing like that. So you can use this or this, and they're gonna do you right. But of course, not everybody's skin gonna react the same to using this, so it might not work for everybody. But it's still worth a try.